Have you ever wondered how the concept of artificial intelligence came into being? It's no recent phenomenon, that's for sure. In fact, the roots of AI can be traced back to ancient Greek myths about automata, or self-operating machines. But let's fast forward a bit to the mid-20th century. Here, the concept of AI as we know it today took a more concrete form. It was the year 1956 at the Dartmouth Conference that the term artificial intelligence was formally proposed. This was a pivotal moment in history that marked the dawn of AI. Now let's not forget key contributors like Alan Turing, a brilliant mathematician and logician. He proposed the idea of a universal machine that could compute anything that is computable. This was essentially the birth of the modern computer, and set the stage for AI. The seeds for AI were sown in the mid-20th century, but the real growth was yet to come. From a mere concept to a transformative technology, how did AI evolve over the years? It all started in the 1950s when scientists began dreaming of machines that could mimic human intelligence. This era was filled with optimism and high expectations, but the reality of technological limitations led to what's known as the first AI winter in the 1970s. However, the field bounced back in the 1980s with the advent of expert systems and renewed funding. Yet again, the promises couldn't keep up with the hype, leading to another AI winter in the 1990s. Just when things seemed bleak, the 21st century ushered in a new era, the AI spring. This was powered by the development of machine learning and deep learning, subfields of AI that use algorithms to learn from and make predictions or decisions based on data. These advancements have propelled AI into a multitude of sectors, revolutionizing industries and everyday life alike. Despite several falls and rises, AI managed to not just survive but thrive. So, where does AI stand today and how does it impact us? It's a question with a myriad of answers. At this very moment, AI is a constant presence in our lives, even if we don't always realize it. From the personalized recommendations on your favorite streaming service to the voice-activated assistant that sets your morning alarm, AI is there. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics and patient care, predicting health trends, and optimizing hospital operations. On our roads, it's piloting self-driving cars, promising a future with fewer accidents and more efficient commutes. In entertainment, it's creating hyper-realistic CGI effects and even composing music. AI is not just about high-tech gadgets and futuristic visions, it's about how technology can enhance and enrich human lives. It's about possibilities and potentials, about innovation and imagination. Artificial intelligence, once a figment of sci-fi imagination, is now a reality shaping our world in ways we couldn't have imagined. In the span of a few decades, AI has come a long way. We started with the inception of an idea, witnessed its evolution and growth, and now we're living in an era where AI's impact is evident in our daily lives. From self-driving cars to voice assistants, we're surrounded by examples of AI. As we stand on the brink of the AI revolution, we can only guess where this fascinating journey will take us next.